Two Blue Fred here, guys.
Where are we at today?
Today we're in Blacksville, South Carolina, home of a famous Union Confederate battle during the Civil War. The Union soldiers pushed in, Confederate forces out, and about 3 miles outside of town. In the process, they destroyed the railroad station and took some prisoners and killed a lot of folks. We're gonna roll out towards Augusta. We're gonna get some food at Diablo's, which is a little build your own burrito place that Blue and I have frequented on many occasions.
Yep.
Then we're gonna head out towards the dam, the Strom-Thurmond Dam.
Do some riding, some smoking, some drinking,
and some eating.
Hell yeah.
And we're gonna take you guys along, and we hope you enjoy it. Make sure you check out the other video that we posted a few days ago where we rode over the Lake Murray Dam and had some way back burger. Check that out. Make sure you subscribe, give us a thumbs up, ring the bell. Those things help out the channel. We appreciate you guys coming along. We're gonna get into some trouble today.
Hope so.
Serving mayors, Elko. It seems odd that that's their claim to fame. The high school. Looks like they're back in session. Trains are cool. At some point in time we're going to take you guys and do a train video. I have to find a place where there's going to be some good train activity where we can watch 2 or 3 trains pass. If you guys are in and around South Carolina and know a good place to watch trains, drop me a link. Augusta's about 36 miles. We're going to have to stretch that out about an hour or so. Food place doesn't know. Oh, that's a cool house set back there. I don't know that anybody lives there anymore, but it's cool. So, riding style. There's a couple of different riding styles. You know, motorcycles typically run in the staggered style. Typically, they want you to be 1 second behind the guy there, 2 seconds from the guy in front of you. So this is about 1 second between he and I. A lot of your riding clubs or motorcycle clubs will ride much closer. They will get up here beside each other like this. It's not typically what Blue and I do. We don't typically do the 1 second either. We will usually find ourselves just about here, maybe a little further back, depending on how we're feeling, the road conditions. This is kind of a curvy road, but we will typically ride, you know, right about here, maybe a little bit further back, times a little closer. As always, you should ride your own ride, and you should feel comfortable about your riding position and who you're riding with. You know, Blue and I have well over 100,000 miles together, you know, side by side. We'll train something. We're very familiar with each other's riding styles. He knows what I'm going to do. I know what he's going to do. We just have this synergy about how we ride. Do something that is comfortable for you. Looks like we're in Aiken. You guys have watched some of our earlier videos. Blue is a planner, knows where we're going and when we're going to be there and what we're going to do. Today's ride was a little bit more impromptu. I mean, we knew we wanted to go get a burrito. We know we're going to go out to the Strom-Thurmond Dam. Even without all the advanced planning, you know, Blue has managed to drag us down the road in a really cool route, and we've seen some pretty cool scenery and some good roads. So even on Blue's worst day of planning a ride, he still does a really freaking good job. Today we find ourselves at Diablo's Southwestern Grill. They got some custom build your own burritos. Unique thing about this place is they've got some ground beef that they'll put in your burrito, which is different than some of your other mainstream build your own burrito places. So we're gonna check it out. We've been here before. We always enjoy it, but brought you guys along today for a ride.
Let me get a beef burrito, no rice and pintos. No, lots of cheese.
Diablo's Southwestern Grill. Got burrito. This is the beef burrito. One of the few burrito places that actually has ground beef as an option. Very cool. My favorite is in Chattanooga, Mojo Burritos. But it's a little further away for today's trip. They give you chips and a burrito. Also got a peanut butter chocolate chip cookie because it's supposed to have peanut butter chips instead of chocolate chips. Looking forward to that. What'd you get, Blue?
Beef burrito, same thing.
First bite right there.
You like it?
Our favorite thing about this place is they don't require masks.
We're in Georgia.
Hugeness.
Just a quick tour. This is a saddle chair. Got the bull coming through the wall up there. That's kind of cool. And we living in a COVID world, and they've still got a sign for Corona Light. Seems like fun. Man, it's always good. You know, the ground beef was good.
Yep.
The rice, man, the dude put a crap load of cheese in mine.
Most burrito places, you tell them lots of cheese and they sprinkle like 2 or 3 extra shreds.
Shreds.
They really piled it on today, so it's good.
Yeah. Now, what did you have, Blue?
And the beef burrito
Yeah, with the pinto beans.
with pintos, no rice.
How'd you like that compared to your normal tofu?
No, that was good. That was good. I was just thinking about other burritos that I enjoyed more.
Okay.
I think if I'd done like you and put the queso on, it'd have brought it right back up there. So
Okay.
that's all right. I'll give it a 3.
Give it a 3.
I'm not even going to expand on it. 3. Your turn.
So solid 3 from Blue. About how much was yours?
$10 maybe.
Yeah.
But burrito, chips, and a drink.
Yeah. So
It's not bad.
$10 for a good size.
I couldn't even eat it all.
Yeah. So value.
Oh yeah, it's up
really,
there.
really right up there, man. I had the ground beef, lots of cheese, some queso on it, black beans, some rice. I also got a cookie, so mine was about $12. I agree with Blue. It's a solid 3. I mean, it's not, you know, it's never going to be a 4. I mean, it's a chain. It's a pretty good chain, but it's a solid 3, man. So we appreciate you guys coming along. We hope you like this video.
We're off to the dam now.
And Strom Thurmond Dam, just about 30 miles from here, and we're going to show you guys around up there. We'll see you in a little bit.
Yep.
I don't know anything about those. Jack. Crowded. right, so guys, here we are. Strom Thurmond Dam and Lake, just north of Augusta, South Carolina. It's a nice day. It's a little warm. There's a good breeze coming off the lake. There's not really any good vantage points to the other side, but they've got a good parking spot over here. It's Two Blue Fred. We appreciate you guys coming along for the ride today. As always, make sure you subscribe, give us a thumbs up, ring the bell so you get notified of new content. We got new content coming out all the time. Do yourself a favor, take a ride, check out the Strom Thurmond Lake and Dam. And as always, we'll see you guys on the next ride.